1.1 10,000 times if you can't multiply using calculator or anything. So these two resembles a plus b root 3 plus root 2, a minus b root 3 minus root 2. Power is also same. Why? Because it is near to 1 and 1 is a special number where 1 power anything is what 1. You know the above value, write the same but plus minus alternate. Now 1 plus 1000, 1 plus 1000 is more than 1000. 4c0, 4c1, 4c2, 4c3, 4c4. Then a power, the first term power, take power 4 and go on decreasing, a cube. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today I'll go ahead with some of the problems of binomial theorem. Using binomial theorem, indicate which number is larger, whether 1.1 power 10,000, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 or 1000, which is greater. See, 1.1 power 10,000 you can't do even using calculator. 1.1 10,000 times if you can't multiply using calculator or anything. So you have to use the technique of binomial theorem. The other number is 1000. You have to compare these two and you should say which is greater. Very interesting. So now I'll take 1.1 power 10,000. Now, binomial theorem is a great tool which will help you to answer this. So, can I write this as 1 plus 0.1 power 10,000? Why? Because it is near to 1 and 1 is a special number where 1 power anything is what 1. So, now 1 plus 0.1 power 10,000, can I start solving this? So, if we expand using binomial theorem, it is 10,000 C naught 1 power 10,000 in C naught 1 power 10,000 into 0.1 power 0 plus 10,000 C1 and 1 power 1 less than this, 1 power 1 less than this, that is 99,000. This is so much 10,000, sorry, again 10,000, 4 zeros, okay. Now coming to this, now 4 zeros, so 9,999, 0.1 power 1, so on. See, I have to go till what? 10,000 C naught, 10,000 C1, then 10,000 C2, then 10,000 C3, till 10,000 C10, till 10,000 C10. But till 10,000 C 10,000. Till this part I should go, but not required. I'll tell plus so on, dot. Now coming to this, NC naught is 1. All of you know, 1 power anything is 1. 1 power any number is 1. 1 power 500 is also 1. 1 power 1 lakh is also 1. 1 power 10,000 is also 1. Anything power 0 is also 1. Plus 10,000 C1 is, all of you know, NC naught is N. NC naught is 1. NC1 is N. So 10,000 C1 is 10,000. 1 power anything is into 1 into 0.1 plus again I will say dot. So many terms will be there. Now 1 plus, see now if you multiply these three, 10,000 into 1 is 10,000 into 0.1 means it will become 1000 plus dot. See, please observe, 1 plus 1000 is more than 1000. So now further I have 1.1 power 10,000. When I expand, I am getting 1 plus 1000 plus so on. Plus we have what is that, 1000 C, this is NC naught, NC1, 10,000 C2, 1 power 9998 into 0.1 square, so on. But this will be 1001. If I add 1001 plus so on, can I say, I will not equate, I will say, can I say this is greater than 1000? This number 1001 plus something is more than 1000. Therefore, what is the conclusion? Therefore, the conclusion is simple. The conclusion is 1.1 power 10,000 is greater than 1000. How we can conclude? By using binomial theorem. When I use binomial theorem, 10,000 C naught. So now here only you got the 1 plus 1000. 1 plus 1000 is more than 1000. So therefore this expansion is more than 1000. Here only you can conclude. Just formatted. I wrote like this. So I'll get 1001 plus so on. 1001 plus so on is more than 1000. That much I know. So more than 1000 means this number is greater than this. That's it. So we use binomial theorem to conclude. Next, find a plus b power 4 minus a minus b power 4 and hence evaluate root 3 plus root 2 power 4 minus root 3 minus root 2 power 4. Very interesting and simple. First I will take a plus b power 4. I will expand. So 4c naught, a power 4 and b power 0, then 4c1, you know the expansion. Then I should take 4c2, then I should take 4c3, then I should take 4c4 and I should stop the process. 4c naught, 4c1, 4c2, 4c3, 4c4. Then a power, the first term power, take power 4 and go on decreasing. A cube, then a square, then a cube, then a decreases. Power 2, power 1, power 2, then power 1, then power 0. Then b power you start with 0, b power 0, b power 1, b2, b cube, b power 4. So now a plus b power 4 I wrote. See, a minus b power 4, very interesting. You know the above value, write the same but plus minus alternate. Here don't take minus b power 0 and all. Whenever we have middle term as minus, so whenever we have minus in between the terms, then plus minus alternate. First term is positive, then negative, then positive, then negative. So I will get same because the terms are same, a and b, here also a and b. So above and below this will be same. This is also 4c naught, a power 4, b power 0 only, but then minus 4c1, a cube b, then plus 4c2, a square b square, then minus 4c3, a b cube, then plus 4c4, a naught b power 4. So using binomial expansion, whenever minus term is in between, plus minus alternate. First term positive, next negative, next positive, next negative, next positive, next negative. And you can take a, b both positive, so that plus minus alternate. Now they want you to subtract. So now I need to subtract. So I'll subtract these two. So I'll perform a plus b power 4 minus a minus b power 4. All of you know, when you subtract, sign changes. So this will become negative, this will become positive, this will become negative, this will become positive, positive becomes negative. Now opposite terms will cancel. This is positive and this is negative, cancels. Now both are positive. After you change the sign, after this change sign, both are positive. So like terms gets added. So 4c1, so this can be written as, I can add and write 2 times 4c1 a cube b. Then after you change this sign, this is positive, this is negative, cancels, and here positive gets added 2 times 4c3 a b cube. Then after you change the sign, this is positive but this is negative after you change, so it cancels. So here we will get, this is 2 times 4c1 and this is 2 times 4c3 and that's it. So now further you can simplify this. I can take 2 common from both, then I will be left out with 4c1 a cube b plus 4c3 ab cube. And further interesting, 4c1 and 4c3 both are same. So again 4c1 I can take out like that or leave it. So now we got the result. What is the result? A plus b power 4 minus a minus b power 4 is equal to 2 times, I got 4c1. What is the answer? We got 4c1 a cube b plus 4c3 ab cube. So now further 4c1 is what? 4 and a cube b. Again 4c3 is 4c 4 minus 1 4c 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, that is also 4ab cube. Now further what you can take common, so in both you can take 4 common, 2 into, I'll take 4 out, and in these two I can take ab out. If I take a into b out, I am left 4 is out, 1a is out, so I am left out with a square, and here b is a is out, so I am left out with b square. 2 4s are 8 ab into a square plus b square. After evaluating we got this. Now hence evaluate what? Root 3 plus root 2 power 4, root 3 plus root 2 power 4 minus root 3 minus root 2 power 4. It is same like this. So I'll write 8 times, I'll use this formula, 8 times a, what is a? Root 3, b root 2 into a square plus b square, root 3 square plus root 2 square. I am directly using this format. The above formula I am using because these two resembles, a plus b root 3 plus root 2, a minus b root 3 minus root 2, power is also same. So now therefore 8 into root 3 into root 2 root 6, square root cancels, we will be left out with 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 8 5s are 40 root 6 is the answer. I hope all of you understood. I did not again expand using binomial theorem. So whatever the expansion gave us result, that result I am using it, that's it. I hope all of you got this. Then same, x plus 1 power 6 plus x minus 1 power 6. Find and hence evaluate root 2 plus 1 power 6 plus root 2 1 minus 6. See, 1 is an interesting term. 1 power anything is 1. So 1 you can drop it. You can ignore 1. So now I'll take x plus 1 power 6. What is x plus 1 power 6? Start with 6e naught. And x power you start with 6. Then 1 power 0 you don't take 1 at all. Then 6e1, x power 5. Then 1 power 2 not required. 1 square is 1. You have, whenever you have 1 you can leave it because 1 power anything is 1 and 1 into, see 1 power anything is 1. 1 power n is 1. So that's why I am leaving it 1. And 6c, reduce the length. 6c2 x power 4. Then 6c3 x power 3. 6c4 x square. 6c5 x and 6c6 x power 0. In all the terms, see, actually we should take x 6 power 6 into 1 power 0, then x power 6 into 1 power 1 like that. 1 power 0 is 1, 1 into x power 6 is 6, so you can ignore 1. So I'll take directly like this. Now further, x minus 1 power 6. See, if you have minus in between, plus minus alternate, one term positive, one term negative. Then it is 6c naught x power 6 minus 6c1 x power 5 plus 6c2 x power 4 minus 6c3 x cube plus 6c4 x square minus 6c5x plus 6c6 x power 0. Now further you can add. So they want you to add, in between plus sign is there, adding means what? The sign does not change, add the terms. So I'll write, that's why I wrote one under the other. Now I'll add x plus 1 power 6 plus x minus 1 power 6. When you add like terms, these two are like terms, it will become 2 times 6c naught x power 6. And these two plus and minus opposite cancels. This 2 times 6c2 x power 4. Then these two cancels. You'll have 2 times 6c4 x square. Then these two cancels. You'll have 2 times 6c6 x power 0. Now in all the terms, 2 you can take common and it will become what? 6c naught x power 6 and 6c2 and also x power 4 and 2 we have taken, so 6c4, sorry, 6c4 x square plus 6c6 x power 0. X power 0 is 1. Further simplify this. So now x plus 1 power 6 plus x minus 1 power 6 is 2 outside, 6C naught is 1, NC naught is 1, then 6C2, 1 into x power 6, 1 into x power 6 is x power 6 is the first term, plus 6C2 means 6 into 5 divided by 6 into 2 into 1, x power even terms will have power 4. 6C4 means it is same as 6C2. 6C2 means 65 divided by 2, 1, x square, and we have 66. 66 is 1, x power 0. Now that is 2 into 2 ones are 3s are 15, x power 6 plus 15 x power 4 plus 2 ones are 2 3s are 15 x square plus 1. That is, in these two you can again are 2 times x power 6 plus 15 times x power 4 plus x square plus 1. See here, 6C naught is 1, this will be x power 6. 6C2 is 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1. So 6 into 6C2 value I have written 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2, 3 are 15, it will become, this is 6C2, it will be 15, this is 1. So raw term is 1, that's it. So now we got this. So hence evaluate root 2 plus 1, they want root 2 plus 1 power 6 plus root 2 minus 1 power 6, that is 2 times, x means root 2 power 6 plus 15 times root 2 power 4 plus root 2 square plus 1. 2 into, so this can be written as root 2 power 6, root 2 means 2 power half power 6, 15 into root 2 can be written as 2 power half power half 4, root 2 square root cancels, it will be 2 plus 1. Further simplify this. In the place of x, in the formula, in this formula, in the place of x I am putting root 2. The further if you simplify 2 into 2 ones are 2 3s are 2 cube, 2 cube is 8 plus 2 ones are 2 2s are, so 15 into 2 square is 4, 15 into 4, 15 into 4, 15 3 is 45, 60, then plus 2 plus 1. Simplify this, 2 into 68, 70, 71, 7 2s are 2, 14, 142. So this is the value. Hope all of you got this. So now I have done problems based on binomial expansion. First we solve which is greater than this. Please understand this, practice this. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you. These two resembles, a plus b root 3 plus root 2, a minus b root 3 minus root 2. Power is also same.